In this video, you'll learn how to remove your location settings in Perplexity AI. This process will help you maintain your privacy by disabling location sharing and clearing any saved location data. Begin by opening the Perplexity AI application on your device. This will take you to the main interface where you can access various features offered. Next, locate the profile icon situated in the bottom left corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will direct you to your personal account settings, providing access to your profile information. Once you are in your profile, navigate to the section labeled All Settings. Within this section, you will find various options related to your account preferences. Click on Personalization to proceed to the next step. After entering the personalization settings, look for the option labeled Location. Clicking on this will present you with settings specifically related to location sharing and saved locations. To disable location sharing, find the toggle switch next to Share Location. Turn this switch off to ensure that your location is no longer shared with the application. Confirm that the switch reflects this change, indicating that location sharing has been successfully disabled. If you notice that a location has been previously saved, you will need to clear or remove it. Ensure that the field is left blank, indicating that no location is currently saved. This step is essential for maintaining your privacy and ensuring that no location data is retained. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.